Hello students, today we are going to write the worksheet answers of lesson 4 India Political. So open your notebook, in the index write down serial number 11, write here today's date, write down lesson name India Political. Now go to the new page. You have to write today's date, lesson 4, India Political worksheet. Question can be written by parents as well, but answers must be written by the child only. Let's start. Question 1. Write true or false. Number 1. India is in the continent of Africa. Answer false. Number 2. The Himalayas separate India from the rest of Asia. Answer true. Number 3. The Union government rules the whole country. Answer true. Number 4. Mumbai is the capital of India. Answer false. Number 5. The Union territories are directly under the control of the central government. Answer true. Question 2. Match the columns. Number 1. Prime Minister. Answer 4th. Write down here 4th. Number 2. Chief Minister. Answer 1st. State government. Write down here 1st. Number 3. Rajasthan. Answer 2nd. Largest state. Write down here 2nd. Number 4. Goa. Answer smallest state. Write down here 5th smallest state. Number 5. Telangana. Answer new state. Write down here 3rd. Question 3. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Number 1. India is flanked by the Arabian Sea on the dash. Options east, west, south, north. Answer west. Write down here west. Number 2. The neighbor to the east of India is dash. Options Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Afghanistan. Write down answer Bangladesh. Number 3. To the south of India is dash. Options Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, China. Answer Sri Lanka. Number 4. There are dash states in India. Options 28, 22, 29, 27. Answer 28. Number 5. Dash is one of the newly formed states of India. Options Telangana, Nepal, Lakshadweep, none of this. Answer Telangana. Question 4. Identify who I am. Number 1. I am an ocean lying to the south of India. Answer Indian Ocean. Number 2. I separate India from the continent of Asia. Answer Himalayas. Number 3. I am the capital of India. Answer New Delhi. Number 4. I am the largest union territory. Answer Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Number 5. I am the smallest union territory. Answer Lakshadweep. Question 5. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Where is India located? Answer India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia. Number 2, name the neighboring countries of India. Answer: India's neighboring countries are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. Number 3, why do you think India was divided into states and union territories? Answer: since India is very big, it is difficult for one central government to look after law and order in each part of the country. Therefore, India has been divided into smaller areas known as states and union territories. Number 4, what is a union territory? Answer: some areas of the country are not included in any of the 28 states and are directly under the control of the central government. These are known as Union Territories. Number 5. Why is India said to have unity in diversity? Answer: the variety of the land, surface, physical features, and climate in India affects the life of the people too. Their way of living, dressing, and eating differs. The people of India speak different languages depending on the region and follow different religions too. So, our country can rightly be called the land of diversity. However, in spite of these differences, there is unity among us.